Do you find yourself struggling with blood sugar spikes after meals, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish? You're not alone, and the good news is, there's a simple way to tackle this issue tonight. Believe it or not, the drinks you consume before bed can play a crucial role in stabilizing your blood sugar overnight. Whether you're managing diabetes or just trying to keep your glucose levels in check, these 8 powerful drinks can help you lower your blood sugar quickly and effectively. In today's video, we're breaking down the science behind each one and how you can incorporate them into your routine tonight. Stick around until the end, because what we're about to share could make a world of difference in your health journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Lemon water. Let's start with a classic, lemon water. While it might seem like a simple choice, its benefits go far beyond just being refreshing. Lemon water is excellent for supporting your liver, which plays a key role in processing excess sugar in the body. The star ingredient here is vitamin C. Your liver uses this vitamin to produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the body and break down excess sugar. In fact, some studies suggest that vitamin C can even help reduce fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. While lemon water isn't a cure, it can certainly give your body the support it needs to process sugar more effectively. Plus, it's easy to make. Just squeeze some fresh lemon juice into warm or cold water. If you're looking for an extra kick, you can add a dash of cayenne pepper, which boosts metabolism, but be careful with honey to avoid adding unnecessary sugars. Drinking lemon water before bed can be a refreshing low-calorie way to support your glucose control overnight. Why does this work? Lemon's alkalizing effect on the body helps stabilize blood sugar levels by improving liver function, which is crucial when managing diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. And don't worry, it's not just for hot weather. Lemon water is a year-round solution. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV. While it may not be the tastiest option, apple cider vinegar has long been regarded for its impressive blood sugar-lowering effects. The magic lies in its acetic acid content, which slows the rate at which carbohydrates break down in the body. This means that instead of causing a sudden spike in your blood sugar after a meal, apple cider vinegar helps release sugar into your bloodstream more slowly. Several studies have found that consuming ACV before bed can significantly improve fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. To make it easy, simply mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water before bedtime. You'll find that this can help control those pesky blood sugar spikes overnight. But one word of caution, apple cider vinegar is quite acidic, so always dilute it to protect your stomach and teeth. If the taste is too strong, try adding a slice of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. ACV also helps with weight management, which is closely tied to blood sugar control. So not only are you stabilizing glucose levels, but you may also shed some pounds. Number 3. Green tea. Third on our list is green tea, a beverage that appears on nearly every health recommendation list, and for good reason. Green tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins, which support liver function and aid in the breakdown of sugar. Your liver is a key player in regulating blood sugar, so anything that helps the liver function more efficiently is a win. Not only that, green tea contains a modest amount of caffeine, which can give your metabolism a slight boost. Studies have shown that even a small increase in metabolic rate can contribute to fat oxidation, essentially helping your body burn fat for energy rather than storing it. This is especially beneficial for anyone trying to lose weight while managing their blood sugar levels. If you're worried about the caffeine keeping you awake, don't be. Green tea contains significantly less caffeine than coffee, and it also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and helps counterbalance any jittery effects from the caffeine. Try drinking green tea either hot or iced, depending on your mood, and see how it affects your glucose levels over time. Number 4. Cinnamon tea. Next on the list is cinnamon tea. While cinnamon may remind you of holiday treats or baked goods, this spice has some serious benefits for your blood sugar. Cinnamon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping your body to absorb sugar from the bloodstream more effectively. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This means that your body becomes more efficient at using insulin, which is crucial if you're trying to manage diabetes or prediabetes. The beauty of cinnamon tea is that it's naturally sweet, so you won't feel the need to add any sugar. You can make it by steeping a cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes, or by adding half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to your cup. Either way, you'll get all the benefits of this powerful spice without any added sugars. Drinking cinnamon tea before bed is a great way to keep those blood sugar levels steady overnight. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another excellent option for anyone looking to balance their blood sugar. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now confirming what ancient healers knew. Ginger can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate glucose levels. The active compound in ginger, gingerol, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which is crucial because chronic inflammation can interfere with insulin's effectiveness. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps your body better manage its blood sugar. To make ginger tea, you can either steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, or use powdered ginger if you're in a hurry. You'll love the naturally sweet and spicy flavor. And if you want to add a bit more kick, a squeeze of lemon can enhance both the taste and health benefits. Number 6. Turmeric milk. Finally, let's talk about turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This bright yellow drink is not only visually stunning, but it's also loaded with curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce insulin resistance and improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar. To make turmeric milk, simply warm up a cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy, almond, or coconut, and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For maximum absorption of curcumin, add a pinch of black pepper. Some people also like to add ginger and cinnamon for added flavor and health benefits. Drinking turmeric milk before bed is a comforting, anti-inflammatory option to help keep your blood sugar levels stable overnight. And there you have it, 6 powerful drinks that can help lower your blood sugar fast, starting tonight. Whether it's lemon water for liver support, apple cider vinegar to slow down carbs, or turmeric milk for its anti-inflammatory effects, these drinks are easy to make and packed with health benefits. Which one will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to live a healthier, more nutritious life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.